So this lecture, magsosolve tayo ng sample problem on compass surveying. So diretso na tayo sa sample problem. We have the observed compass bearing of a line which is south 35 degrees 30 minutes east. Tapos meron ding magnetic declination and local attraction of the place given. 2 degrees 10 minutes west yung magnetic declination, and then 5 degrees east naman yung local attraction. Pinapahanap sa atin dito yung whole circle na bearing, which is forward and back, forward and backward na bearing, and then we have quadrantal bearing din, forward and backward. Then we have azimuth from north and south. So meron na tayong note dito sa baba. Magnetic declination is the deviation from the true north. Tapos yung local attraction naman is the deviation from the magnetic north. Makikita natin yung meaning ng deviation from the true north and deviation from the magnetic north mamaya pag mag-solve na tayo ng sample problem. Kung isosolve na natin yung sample problem na to, okay? So first, lagyan muna natin ng drawing. So for example, if we have ito yung ano natin, x and y. Oops, ito na lang sa baba, medyo yung yung x and y, or yung x-axis natin. Okay, so first, dodrawing muna natin yung magnetic declination. Magnetic declination is 2 degrees 10 minutes west. So ibig sabihin dito yan, or blue na lang kaya, so blue. So 10 degrees 10 minutes west, so papunta dito, therefore this is 2 degrees yung angle na to. This is 2 degrees and then 10 minutes pa west. Tapos yung local attraction naman is 5 degrees east. Ito yan, ito 5 degrees east. Tapos sabi dito, yung local attraction is deviation from the magnetic north. So ito na ngayon yung magnetic north natin. Ito yung blue. This is M, N. Therefore, 5 degrees east. So pupunta tayo dun sa east. Yun yung magiging magnetic north natin ngayon na bago. So lalagyan lang natin ng black. Ito yan. So black. Uy! Mali na. Dapat itong line na to. Yung anay natin. Yan. So, papunta daw dun is 5 degrees east. So, ito yun. Yung angle na to, this is now 5 degrees east. Okay? So, ayusin lang natin yung pagka-drawing na, or yung label natin. So, this is 5 degrees. Okay? So, ito na ngayon yung bagong magnetic north natin. Kasi affected siya by the local attraction. Okay. Tapos, meron dito compass bearing. Ibig sabihin ng compass bearing, yun yung magnetic bearing natin. So, yung magnetic bearing is south, 35 degrees, 30 minutes east. So, i-extend natin yung block na yan dito sa baba, para yung line natin, yan, extended. Ito yung magnetic line natin, magnetic na meridian. So, yung line is 35 degrees, papuntang east. Gawin natin green. So, dito tayo, This is 35 degrees. Therefore, ito yun, south. Oops. Ito pala dapat. This is south. Okay? Therefore, yung angle na yan is south 35 degrees 30 minutes east. Okay? So, galing dito sa magnetic north natin, which is ito, yung line na to. This is the bagong magnetic north natin ngayon, kasi yung affected siya ng local attraction. Mag-measure tayo ng 35 degrees, 30 minutes to the east para makuha natin yung line natin. Okay? So, ang pinapahanap sa atin dito is ang whole circle bearing, which is forward and backward. Galing na yan sa true north natin. So, lalagay natin yan dito sa table. So, first, forward bearing na whole circle. Alam natin, it should be directed from the north, tapos papunta dun sa line natin. So, ito ngayon yung whole circle bearing natin na forward. So, that's equivalent to, first isolve na natin dito, So, ano yung value na to? That's actually 3530 minus yung angle na yan, Yung angle na to. So, paano natin makuha yung angle na yan? Which is basically equal yan dito, So, this is 5 degrees minus 2 degrees 10 minutes. Okay? So, dito tayo sa calculator. We have 5 degrees minus 2 degrees, 10 minutes. That's 250, which is 2 degrees, 50 minutes. Therefore, yung angle na to, this is actually equivalent to 35 degrees, 30 minutes, minus your 2 degrees, 50 minutes, which is equal to, you have 35, oops, nadagdag pa. 35 degrees, 30 minutes, minus 2 degrees 50 minutes. So this is 32 degrees 40 minutes. Ibig sabihin, yan na yung, actually, yan na yung quadrantal bearing natin. No? So, isulat na lang kaya natin. No? So, that's a quadrantal bearing ngayon, which is 32 degrees 40 minutes. Okay? Which is southeast. So, automatic na yung backward bearing niya, kung i-extend natin yung green na line yan dito, kung i-extend natin, yung green na line na ito, i-extend natin dito. Tapos, ito na ngayon yung back bearing niya na quadrantal, no? Galing sa true north, papunta dun sa line, which is just north 32 degrees 40 minutes pa west naman. Okay? So, yun yung back bearing niya na quadrantal. Dito sa forward bearing, ito yan, no? Balikan natin yung angle na yan. That's just equivalent to 180 minus. So, 180 minus, ito, yung 32 degrees 40 minutes na yan. So, that's 180 degrees minus answer, yung kanina. So, 147. Wala na yung direction ito, no? 147 lang. 147 degrees, 20 minutes. Ang backward bearing naman, na whole circle, galing pa rin dito sa true north, and then iikot ka pumunta dun sa line na yan, no? So, that's basically 360 minus yung backward bearing na to, no? Which is equal to 32 degrees 40 minutes. Okay? So, that's 360 degrees minus 32 degrees 40 minutes. Ayan, lagyan natin ng minutes para maging ano, no? 327 degrees 20 minutes. Okay? So, ganun lang, no? Yung back bearing. Dito tayo sa azimuth. Yung azimuth naman is always directed from the vertical, no? Kung galing north, equal lang siya dito sa 147, no? Same lang siya, no? Kasi ito yung angle na yan. Ito yan. Galing sa north, papunta dun sa line. So, same lang dito sa 147. 147 degrees, 20 minutes. Pag galing naman sa south, iikot ka ng ganito, no? So, lagyan natin na blue na lang kaya, no? So, ang azimuth from the south, dito iikot ka papunta dyan sa line. So, basically, equal siya nung back azimuth natin, which is equivalent sa 360 minus yung ito, no? Yung angle na yan. So, that's, kung iikot ka kasi dito, that's 360 degrees, no? Tapos, atras ka ng value na to, which is just equivalent sa ito, 32 degrees 40 minutes. So, that's basically same lang dun sa value na yan, which is 324 degrees 20 minutes. Double check natin. That's 360 degrees minus 32 degrees 40 minutes. 327 degrees 20 minutes. So, ganun lang, no? Yun lang yung meaning nitong magnetic declination and local attraction. Okay? So, madali lang, no? Kailangan nyo lang intindihin yung or kailangan nyo lang i-drawing yung sample problem accurately para yun, ma-analyze nyo sa drawing kung ano yung mga bearing na yan tsaka yung azimuth. Okay? So again, that's it for this sample problem, and thank you again for watching, and see you sa mga next na sample problems natin on surveying and other engineering related na mga subjects. Thank you.